welcome back to the channel, Farming with Nick. Today we have a really fun day. We actually are going to be harvesting our wheat field. So we made some purchases real quick, and I'm just taking them back to the farm. We actually kept this John Deere mower, or a tractor, sorry. Long day. This tractor, and we went and got an auger wagon for it. And actually, I'm going to send a worker here. They're going to drive it up to the farm for us. And our field is, back there, number 9. So, we could just come off of the road that way. So let's actually just put them up there, then I'll kind of drive the rest of the way. Oh, target unreachable. Let's try that again. Set destination. Let's go way up here. Get it right on the road. Good. It's driving the target. And we purchased semi. We have a Mack truck superliner, and we got a trailer for everything. Oh, AI worker is blocked already. So let me get everything set up, and I will meet you back at the farm. See you soon. Alright, welcome back. So we have everything here on the field. Takes a little bit of time to actually get it here. And drove it all the way from town on the other side over here. So I actually kept the combine that came with the farm, the case. Might change it out. For now it's fine. So I have a worker in there running it right now, and then our semi that we purchased is just sitting off to the side over here as well. So we'll harvest this entire field here. I don't have the straw on right now. I could start baling it, but I figured, well, I don't have livestock right now, and it's okay. After this, I'll just till up the field and maybe keep weed or put something else, so we'll see. So I'll kind of stop talking there and hope you enjoy, and then I'll bring you back at the end and we'll see how much we got from our field here. just finished up our wheat field, and as soon as I can, I'll probably invest in something a little bit bigger to take care of that field. I do enjoy, I really like this nice big field, but yeah, I keep having to hire a worker on and off just to even finish it. So let's hop on our semi here and let's take it in and see how we did. So this is field, I guess that's field 9, which is our wheat field that comes with the farm when you're on easy. And I think you get that cornfield, you get the alfalfa, and you get this wheat field. So let's see how much profit that gives us. If I can get up the hill here. So I did think about, I could just keep that wheat and wait for prices to rise a little bit. However, I think just gonna go for it and see what our profit would be. Slowly but surely we're getting up this hill here. Almost there. Build up a little bit of speed. Yeah, I could have bought this wheat field down here as well, just on the other side of the creek here. I see. There we go. Speeding up a little bit. So yeah, I don't mind that case that comes with the farm. I do like it. Just needs a much bigger header on it for sure. Took a while, and typically I like to have a couple fields going at a time. I don't know about you, but that's just me. I like to have a couple combines going, a couple auger wagons, and then I'll run my semis back and forth with the computer, and just because I'm on console, I just set the destination, go to it, and then as soon as we're there, I unload it and all set. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lose my trailer before I get there. Fish channeling all over. There we go. Back on track. So, like I said, I hope you enjoyed our wheat harvest here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Appreciate you watching. And we're just going to take care of this trailer load. Let's take it over here and see how we did. And it's going to be quite a bit, but not sure how much exactly. Oh, starting to fishtail again. Stay on the road. There we go. And like I said, I think we have that cornfield, so might skip ahead time a little bit. We'll see. Harvest our corn. We have quite a bit of money still. 214,000, and that was from selling our some of our starting equipment that I knew I wouldn't use right away. And then I was thinking might not use all the mowing equipment. If I do, I can rebuy it or buy some other kind, so wasn't worried about that. And I think that's, yep, I passed it. That's the corn dryer right there. Okay, I'll go into this one right here. So we have quite a bit of money. like to get some other fields going. Like I said, invest in more equipment and get multiple fields going at a time here. So we'll see what else is available and kind of go from there. Now that we have a semi, we have that combine, and got an auger wagon and everything too. So, all right, see what we got. Oh, did very well. There you go. 161,000. Not too bad for that field. That was field 9 that came with the farm. Great. All right. Well, thank you again for joining, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.